let's get started. Question number 1, who snore more when they sleep? Go!
The answer is yeah.
Correct! Yay! Okay, so back to the challenge. The question 2. Run, go back. Question number 2, who is more likely to pee and poop inside the house? Go!
Cái con này.
Hỏi là gì?
Okay, so the question is, who is more likely to pee and poop inside the house?
That's gonna be Lan. He's always poop and pees in the house.
Okay, that's correct. Yay! 1 point for Duke and 1 point for Bang. Let's see who's gonna be the winner.